Good morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are safe and sound at home. Student, as you know, block number 23 is going on different modes of travel. Right? Today we are going to do block 23, fourth lesson plan. In the previous blocks, we read about the different modes of travel. As you know, in India, different kinds of physical features are there, like hills, mountains, rivers, and the plain area, the plateaus, and the coastal areas. So we have to use different modes of travel, different modes of transport. So student, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is choose the transport. As you know, for the different physical feature we have to use the different modes of transport. So how can we choose the transport? For this are today's keywords for today's class: journey, transport, and resources, content book, notebook, and workbook. So what is our today's aim, student? Our today's aim is plan a journey to make independent choices on the different modes of transport needed to travel across different terrains. Means plan a journey to make independent choices on the different modes of transport. Today we will plan a journey. So according to our need we will choose our transport also. So what will be our need needed to travel across different terrains. Different terrains means which kind of area, which kind of different which kind of physical feature, means जैसा physical feature होगा उसी के according हम उसी type का mode of travel, mode of transport हम use करेंगे. Now student, it is action time. As you know student, in the previous classes we learnt about why do we use different type of mode of traveling for the different places, and today we will learn. Today we will plan a journey to a place and decide the most suitable transport for that place. Means हम एक जर्नी प्लान करेंगे और उसके लिए एक मोस्ट सुटेबल जो ट्रांसपोर्ट है, जो मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है, दैट वी विल ऑल्सो डिसाइड. Student, now look on the screen. Here different name of the places are here, like hills, forest, desert, village, city. Now you will read the places carefully and plan a journey to a place. Choose the place, discuss the way to reach the given place, and which transport is best used, best suited to travel to that place. Means what will you do, student? The different places are there as you have read now. So you will choose one of the place from them and then you will write which kind of transport do we use and how much time. मीन्स फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पे जाना है आपको या शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस आपको कवर करना है, यू विल राइट दिस थिंग ऑल्सो एंड देन यू विल चूज योर ट्रांसपोर्ट फॉर दिस. नाउ इट इज टाइम फॉर द डिस्कशन, द एनालिसिस पार्ट. Where do you plan to travel and how? Where do you plan to travel and how? The student, your answers can be different, right? If you want to travel in a desert area, so you can use a camel for it. As you know, the camel is called the ship of the desert, right? And if you want to go across the river, then you can use a boat or you can use a ship. If you want to move to a city or a town, then you can use a car or bus or the different vehicles you can use. And if you want to move to another country, then you can use ship or you can use the ship or the aeroplanes and the helicopters. Next question: why do we use different transport for different places? What do we need to keep in mind while choosing a particular transport? Yes, we need to keep in mind the place where we need to go, whether it is a hilly, a forest, village or city, while choosing a particular transport. We need to keep in mind the time in which we have to reach a place, as some transport like the bicycle are slow. If we need to reach a place in less time, we can choose an aeroplane provided it is a big city which has airports. To travel across sea, river or ocean, we need to use a ship, boat or other transport that travels in water. Now student, look on the board. The need for using different kinds of vehicles depends on, means किसी भी व्हीकल को चूज करने के लिए हमें किन चीजों का यूज, किन चीजों को हमें माइंड में रखना चाहिए. प्लेस हिली है, फॉरेस्ट है, विलेज, सिटी और डेजर्ट. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज डिस्टेंस, मीन्स कितना डिस्टेंस हम कवर करना चाहते हैं. इफ इट इज लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस और शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस वी हैव टू ट्रेवल. टाइम, फास्ट मूविंग, स्लो मूविंग ट्रांसपोर्ट. मीन्स अगर हमारे पास टाइम कम है देन वी विल यूज द फास्ट मूविंग, and if we have enough time then we can use the slow moving transport. Next is expenses, money to be spent. Means if we have money, if we have enough money, then we can use, in spite of cars or buses, we can use the airplanes. Availability, if airport is there, railway station is there on the, so we have to keep all these things in mind. Students, now it is time for the horse question. The question is on your screen. Why can't we use a metro train to travel in a village or an aeroplane pony to travel in the city? Yes, the village mostly don't have tracks built to run metro trains, so we cannot use them to travel there. We cannot use an elephant pony in a city as they are very crowded and these animals have traveled to places like hills and forest where it is difficult for any other vehicle to run. मीन्स हम मेट्रो ट्रेन को हम विलेज में क्यों नहीं रन करवा सकते, एक पोनी और एलिफेंट का यूज हम सिटीज में क्यों नहीं करते हैं? जो नो स्टूडेंट, मेट्रोस के लिए भी हमें मेट्रो ट्रैक्स बनाने पड़ते हैं एंड दीज मेट्रो ट्रैक्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल इन द विलेजेस, right? And an elephant or a pony we cannot use in the cities. Why? Because these are the crowded areas. So all these things we have to keep in mind. Now it is time for application part, student. You will do S4, that is given on page number 38 in your workbook. Open your page 38 of your workbook, student. Choose the transport, fill in the blanks. Where can you use this as a means of transport? In a village, the hills, a forest or a desert? Why? Means here different kinds of mode of transport are given. Yes, all these are animals only. So where can you use these? Elephants, where can you use elephants? Elephants you can use in the forest. And the bullock cart, these are used in the villages. Camel, as you know, where is it used? It is used in the desert area. And ponies are also used in the hilly areas. Question number 2. Rahim has to travel urgently from his village to reach his uncle's house in the city. Can he travel by bullock cart or pony and still reach in time? Why or why not? Means Rahim को बहुत जल्दी जाना है. And as you know, Rahim is in the village and as soon as possible he want to reach in the city. So what should he use for the mode of travel? So you will write your answer on your own. Now it is time for your homework, student. You will do practice question number 7 and 8 which is given on page number 42 in your content book. Question number 7 is, what do we need to keep in mind while using a particular vehicle to travel? Means हमें किसी भी पर्टिकुलर व्हीकल का चूज करते समय हमें किन चीज़ों को माइंड में रखना चाहिए? एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द डिस्कशन पार्ट ऑल्सो. Question number 8. Can we use a bullock car to travel in a city or a cable car to travel in a village? Yes. Why not? Give reasons. You will complete your answer. Now students, be ready for the next class and resources for next class, your content book, workbook and notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.